Let's talk about something you probably threw away this morning: eggshells. Every day, millions of us start our mornings with eggs, whether scrambled, fried, or poached. But what happens to the shells? Most of us don't give them a second thought. They end up in the trash, forgotten and overlooked as we move on with our busy routines. You crack them open, let the golden yolk slide into the pan, and toss the shell without a second glance. It's a habit so ingrained we rarely question it. But what if I told you that this simple act is actually a missed opportunity? That shell you just discarded is gardening gold, a hidden treasure for anyone who loves plants or wants to get more from their kitchen scraps. For generations, gardeners and farmers have seen eggshells as a valuable resource, not just kitchen waste. Long before modern fertilizers, people relied on what they had, eggshells included, to enrich their soil and help their gardens thrive. That brittle shell left over from your omelet? It's packed with calcium carbonate, the very same mineral found in limestone and chalk. This makes eggshells a powerhouse of nutrients, especially for plants that crave calcium. Nature designed the eggshell as a fortress, protecting the delicate life inside with layers of minerals and proteins. But its usefulness doesn't end when breakfast is over. In fact, that's just the beginning. So, why waste it? Your herb garden, vegetable patch, or even your houseplants could use that extra boost. Crushed eggshells can help replenish the soil, giving your plants the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. This isn't some fancy new gardening trend, it's old school wisdom, practical, free, and proven by generations before us. Using eggshells is a simple way to recycle, reduce waste, and give back to the earth. In this video, we'll show you why eggshells work so well, how to prepare and use them, and how they can transform your kitchen scraps into a secret weapon for healthier, more vibrant herbs and vegetables. Before you toss another shell, consider this. Eggshells are a natural fertilizer, a gentle soil conditioner, and even a pest deterrent, all rolled into one. They can help balance soil acidity, add essential minerals, and keep unwanted pests like slugs and snails at bay. It's about closing the loop, turning what would be food waste back into food, creating a cycle that benefits both your kitchen and your garden. Every shell you save is a step toward a more sustainable lifestyle. Don't be afraid to get your hands a little dirty. There's something deeply satisfying about connecting with the process, knowing you're making a difference for your plants and the planet. In the next few minutes, we're going to break down the simple science behind adding crushed eggshells to your soil and show you just how easy it is to start this habit at home. It's a small step, but it can have a big impact on the health and vitality of your herbs, vegetables, and flowers. You'll be amazed at the difference a handful of eggshells can make. So, are you ready to see your breakfast waste in a whole new light? Let's get started and unlock the hidden potential of something you've been throwing away. By the end of this video, you'll never look at eggshells the same way again. Get ready to turn your kitchen scraps into garden gold. Calcium isn't just for bones, plants need it too. It's the backbone of strong stems and healthy leaves. Eggshells are loaded with calcium carbonate, making them a perfect slow-release nutrient. But don't just toss whole shells in the pot, crush them first. As they break down, they gradually feed your herbs, preventing issues like weak growth and blossom end rot. Think of eggshells as a daily vitamin for your garden, steady, reliable, and natural. This is especially important for potted herbs, where nutrients run out fast. Crushed eggshells replenish calcium, helping your herbs thrive and develop rich flavors. Next time you see droopy stems, remember, the solution might be on your kitchen counter. Skip the store-bought fertilizer, use what you already have. Strong cell walls start with the humble eggshell. Give your herbs the foundation they need to flourish. Eggshells do more than feed your plants. They improve your soil. Crushed shells create tiny air pockets, boosting aeration and drainage. Dense, compacted soil suffocates roots. Eggshells keep it light and crumbly. Better drainage means roots won't rot, and more oxygen means healthier growth. This is crucial for container gardens, where soil compacts quickly. Mix crushed eggshells into your potting mix to prevent it from turning into a brick. You're not just feeding your plant, you're building a better home for its roots. It's like adding gravel, but with added nutrients. Good soil structure is the foundation of a resilient garden, and to think you almost threw this resource away. In nature, nothing is truly waste. Eggshells prove that small changes can make a big difference. Build better dirt, one shell at a time. Eggshells aren't just for feeding plants, they're a natural pest deterrent. Slugs and snails hate crawling over sharp, jagged shell pieces. A ring of coarsely crushed eggshells around your herbs acts like a barrier. It doesn't kill or poison, it simply makes your plants unappealing to pests. This is integrated pest management at its simplest. No chemicals, just smart use of scraps. For best results, use larger, sharp-edged pieces. Some even say the scent deters deer, but the real power is in the texture. It's a low-tech, zero-cost solution to a common problem. With eggshells, you're feeding your plants, improving soil, and defending against pests, all at once. Sometimes the best solutions are right in your kitchen bin. Be resourceful. Let eggshells do the dirty work. Protect your herbs naturally. Your garden will thank you. Ready to use eggshells? Don't just toss them in. Prep is key. Eggshells are more than just kitchen waste. With a little effort, they can become a powerful resource for your garden. But before you get started, it's important to know that a bit of prep work goes a long way in making sure you get the most out of every shell. First, rinse off any egg residue to avoid attracting pests or bacteria. This step is crucial because leftover egg whites or yolk can quickly become a magnet for unwanted critters and can even cause unpleasant odors in your compost or garden beds. Take a moment to thoroughly wash each shell under running water. Let the shells dry completely. Air dry or bake at a low temperature for 10-15 minutes to sterilize. This not only ensures they're safe to use but also makes them easier to crush. Baking helps eliminate any lingering bacteria and makes the shells brittle, which is perfect for the next step. Once dry, crush them to your desired consistency. For soil amendment, grind to a fine powder for faster breakdown and nutrient release. The finer the powder, the quicker your plants can access the calcium and minerals inside. This is especially helpful for tomatoes, peppers, and other calcium-loving plants that benefit from a steady supply of nutrients. For pest control, keep the pieces coarse and sharp. Larger, jagged pieces create a natural barrier that deters slugs, snails, and other soft-bodied pests from reaching your plants. It's a simple, chemical-free way to protect your garden. Use a mortar and pestle, coffee grinder, or just a rolling pin in a bag. Each method works well, so choose what's most convenient for you. Crushing eggshells can even be a fun, hands-on activity for kids or anyone looking to get a little more involved in their gardening routine. Decide your goal before crushing, fine for feeding, coarse for defense. Having both types on hand means you're ready for whatever your garden needs, whether it's boosting soil health or keeping pests at bay. This simple prep turns trash into a valuable garden tool. By taking a few extra minutes, you're not only reducing waste but also giving your plants a natural boost. It's hands-on, but worth it. Getting your hands a little dirty is all part of the process, and the results are well worth the effort. You'll see healthier plants and fewer pests in no time. The right texture makes all the difference. Whether you're aiming for powder or chunky pieces, consistency is key to making sure your eggshells do their job effectively. Don't skip this step. Your plants will notice. Properly prepped eggshells can mean the difference between thriving, resilient plants and those that struggle. Prep well, and your eggshells will work wonders. Over time, you'll notice stronger stems, greener leaves, and more robust growth, all thanks to this simple kitchen-to-garden hack. It's the small details that make this hack effective. Taking the time to prepare your eggshells properly ensures you get the maximum benefit, turning what was once waste into a secret weapon for your garden's success. Now let's put those eggshells to work. For new plantings, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of fine eggshell powder per gallon of potting soil. This ensures even distribution of nutrients and improves soil structure. For established herbs, sprinkle the powder on the soil surface and gently work it in. Water will carry the calcium down to the roots. Reapply every few months to keep the benefits going. For pest control, create a ring of coarse shells around the plant base, about 1 inch wide, no gaps. Refresh after rain as shells can wash away. Simple, effective, and easy to maintain. Your herbs will thrive with just a little effort. Not all herbs benefit equally from eggshells, but some love them. Herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary thrive in slightly alkaline, well-drained soil. Eggshells gently raise soil pH and add calcium, perfect for these plants. Basil grows lush and strong, mint stays vigorous, and rosemary gets the gritty, dry conditions it craves. Eggshells help prevent root rot and boost leaf production. For these herbs, eggshells aren't just a hack, they recreate their ideal environment. Mix shells into the soil or use as a top dressing. Watch your herbs respond with healthier, more abundant growth. Give your favorite herbs the conditions they love. Sometimes a little kitchen scrap makes all the difference. Eggshells are great, but moderation matters. Too many can make soil too alkaline, causing nutrient lockout. Plants can't absorb what they need. Signs include yellowing leaves and stunted growth. Stick to 1 or 2 tablespoons of powder per gallon of soil, or a light scattering in garden beds. Don't overload. More isn't better. Some plants, like blueberries, hate alkaline soil. Skip eggshells for them. Pay attention to your plants, they'll show you what works. Gardening isn't one size fits all. Use eggshells wisely for best results. It's a tool, not a cure-all. Smart use leads to healthy, happy herbs. There you have it, the humble eggshell, transformed from trash to treasure. What once seemed like a simple kitchen scrap is now a powerful tool for your garden, ready to nourish your plants and help them thrive. It's amazing how something so small and overlooked can make such a big difference in your gardening journey. Eggshells feed your herbs with essential calcium, improve the structure of your soil, and even help keep pesky pests away, all without costing you a cent. Instead of tossing them in the trash, you're giving them a new purpose, turning waste into a resource that benefits your plants and the planet. This is resourceful, effective gardening at its best. By using what you already have, you're not only saving money, but also making your garden more sustainable and resilient. It's a simple step that can lead to healthier, more vibrant herbs right at home. So get your hands dirty and connect with your food in a whole new way. There's something deeply satisfying about nurturing your own herbs and knowing exactly what goes into them. Start by saving your eggshells after breakfast or baking. Give them a good rinse to remove any residue, let them dry thoroughly, and then crush them into small pieces. This simple routine can become a rewarding habit that pays off in your garden. Try sprinkling the crushed eggshells on the soil around a basil or mint plant. Over time, you'll notice the difference: stronger stems, greener leaves, and a more robust plant overall. Observe your plants, experiment with different amounts, and learn as you go. Gardening is all about discovery, and every small change can teach you something new about your plants and the environment they grow in. You don't need to be an expert to start. Just take one small step, plant a seed, add some eggshells, and watch what happens. Every gardener starts somewhere, and every garden grows with a bit of care and curiosity. Look around your kitchen and see the hidden potential in everyday things. Eggshells, coffee grounds, vegetable peels. These can all be transformed into valuable resources for your garden, reducing waste and supporting a healthier ecosystem. So next time you crack an egg, pause for a moment and remember its second life in your garden. That simple act can be the start of a more sustainable, rewarding gardening experience. Give your eggshells a rinse, set them aside in a container, and when you have enough, put them to work in your garden beds or pots. It's a small effort with big rewards. Now it's your turn to get cracking. Grow healthier, happier herbs with this simple, sustainable, and satisfying method. You'll be amazed at the results, and your plants will thank you for it. Give it a shot and see the transformation for yourself. With just a little effort, you can turn everyday kitchen scraps into a secret weapon for your garden's success.